since there are tons of tools available on the internet. No matter if you are a construction worker or a landscaper, you'll prefer the finest one to own. So in this video, we will show you some amazing tools that are on another level. Handling large-sized glasses isn't a cup of tea for everyone. Keeping that in mind, here comes the barbaric Uniglass UGL4. It's a modern and safe solution for the easy and effort-free manipulation of flat glass, insulating glass, or windows. With different types of suction beams and a very compact body, it provides an optimal working area to lift with confidence. It rotates around 200 degrees and tilts up to 90 degrees, meaning you'll get absolute flexibility when dealing with unfamiliar shapes. No wonder you're thinking about safety. No problem, it has an included safety system that never lets your glass go, even during incorrect operations. On top of that, the blow-off feature allows the quick release of glass sheets and offers smooth, continuous movements around rush hours. Have you ever used a cut-off saw without dragging a thick, annoying cord? If not, then you might have missed this DeWalt DCS690XR. This cordless cut-off saw offers unrivaled cordless power without the hassle of pull cords, petrol fumes, and engine maintenance. No matter how challenging the task is, rebar cutting, paved stones breaking, or concrete scoring, this tool will handle them easily, thanks to its heavy-duty 230mm blade with an 83mm cutting depth. One pro worth mentioning, it features an adjustable dual-feed water system that manages dust perfectly, keeping you away from the annoyance of inhaling issues. The sealed switch also helps you to prevent the dustiest situation. Plus, the heavy load indicator and ergonomic handle maintain ultimate safety and comfort from job to job. This thing you see here is specifically designed for lawn care enthusiasts and garden maintainers. The Makita UR012G is capable of handling tons of heavy-duty applications with similar power to a 40cc class engine grass trimmer. Since it runs on Makita's XGT battery, you don't have to take the hassle of gas, fumes, or emissions. When shifting from job to job and adjusting the speed, the variable speed trigger allows you to get the desired power. You can choose between 3 modes. In terms of safety and precision, it boasts an electronic current limiter for overload protection and an electric brake for emergency pause. And the combination of a soft starting mechanism, offset by candle, and reverse switch offers second-to-none facilities in the class. You'll obviously meet a great amount of debris when cutting brick walls, mortar, and more. What if you got such a way where you'll get the highest cutting efficiency but without a single speck of dust? Meet Arbortech AllSaw AS175, a perfectly engineered tool that significantly improves trade safety and keeps you absolutely dirt-free. With a wide range of masonry blades, it tackles various professional and non-professional tasks. The best part of the AS175 is its unique patented orbital cutting action of the 2 reciprocating blades, allowing you to get the fastest way to cut. However, the heavy-duty dust boot never decreases in action visibility. Plus, the 120mm cutting depth lets you work in square corners and make variable width cuts without any overcutting issues. While working under heavy pressure and stress surrounds you from all sides, music hits as the ultimate booster. But relying on a tool brand for a portable speaker? Well, don't get confused. This Works WX009 delivers a next-level hearing experience with great convenience to carry on the move. Since it comes from Works, so there'll be no doubt about its durability in harsh environments. Thanks to its special materials and multi-units, such as the 3-watt bass units, 20-watt treble unit, and a passive unit woofer, you'll get powerful audio with improved sound quality. On top of that, the stable Bluetooth connectivity allows dropless connectivity between 10 meters distance. Don't go by its name. This Mafell straight saw is designed to handle both straight and curve cuttings on wood. First and foremost, it comes with an ergonomic shape with low pressure points and soft inserts, meaning you'll get a firm hold for rough and tough situations. It features Mafell QNX W1 precision saw blade that makes quick and precise cuts every time. With sophisticated self-extraction and clever free-blowing, This straight saw keeps the cutting surface free from every speck of dust, whether it's connected to a vacuum or not. Plus, you can adjust the operating speed between 800 and 3000 strokes per minute, depending on the quality of the material. We're sure you're gonna replace your old one. Carpenter's toolkits are incomplete without an angular bevel gauge. So count on this Wolfcraft angular bevel gauge to achieve perfect measuring angles, especially when using miter saws. Thanks to its two flexible plastic legs, you'll get optimum stability when transferring angles and critical measuring. Plus, the eccentric lever makes sure for convenient fixing, which stands for effortless angle alignment on the miter saw. It means measuring small corners is no more a headache now. The angular bevel gauge also helps you to mark different angles easily. All credit goes to the integrated fold-out limit stop. Need a perfect aid for floor layout and furniture building? Get your hand on it. Despite its similarities to a ladder, the Robokazi Please Faraoni also offers tons of versatility. It's a multifunctional ladder with different working platforms and adjustable heights. The 70-degree angle of entry keeps the Please absolutely stable. It also features a raised protective barrier that mounts to a height of 110 centimeters. Most importantly, the working platform offers superb convenience with built-in toe boards that eliminate all the possibilities of leg sliding and falling down. Despite having a lightweight design, it holds exceptional durability for every kind of warehouse, construction, and maintenance work. Another feature worth saying, it has a foldable design, meaning you can leave little space to store it. Lastly, the strong mounted wheels facilitate in transporting it here to there. Next tool on the list is the Scissor Lift Table TLD 2000. This is a material lifter and a height-adjustable workbench too. It simply allows you easy access to a higher height range compared to the regular workbenches. You can adjust the length between 900 and 5000 millimeters for individual demands. The best thing about the tool is its 5,000 kilogram lifting capacity, so it can be used in automotive workshops or construction sites also. This lifting workbench complies with the standard safety methods and has an IP54 approved electrical system, meaning you'll get the fullest confidence. On the other hand, it comes with adjustable trap prevention safety trip bars to hold superior durability. If you want instant working platforms and pallet stackers that also lift heavy items, the TLD 2000 is a worthy option to choose. Railway maintenance needs experts and expertise to be done, and an expert never takes on jobs without the right tool in hand. Drilling holes on the railway metal track becomes so quick and easier when a pro gets his hand on the Sember LD41P. It simplifies the way of making consistent and accurate holes in all types of weather conditions. Thanks to its compact size and handy design, you can operate with less hand strain and increase total productivity on the job site. On top of that, it also features a coolant system consisting of a reservoir and pump that allows you to use suitable cooling lubricants. Last but not least, the 1.9 horsepower motor never lets you down in extreme applications. The basic model handles up to 34 kilograms, while the top model is capable of lifting 109 kilograms. The T-handle allows for accurate control of the lifter and is great for keeping the tiles and other items level. The stronger lifters come with an 8-shaped handle, so 2 people can use it at the same time. Each lifter comes with a set of special attachments, which have memory foam. According to EasyG Manufacturing, the lifters reduce work time by 40%, which might explain why even the basic model costs $634. This is the Skyscraper Kit, and the name speaks for itself. With it, you can remove debris and dirt from your roof. The price is $763, and the manufacturer offers 3 height options: 7, 9, and 10 meters. The kit comes with 11 scraper blades of various shapes and a brush that deals with moss. Thanks to its double head, you can use the accessories in any combination you like. The sellers are confident that the Skyscraper is a great option for professional cleaners, which probably explains the price. The Cobalt W64 is a sharpening system from Wicked Edge. The length is only 24 centimeters, but the results are comparable to larger models. The kit includes two 2600 grit diamond-coated sharpening stones, guide rods with a variable angle, and a slider that allows you to see the angle all the time. Additionally, it works with adapters for sharpening scissors and chisels. The price for the kit is $76. This is not a makeshift desk thrown together in a garage. It is the Speed Bench mobile workstation from the Japanese company RYOBI. This workbench can turn into a cart. In the workbench mode, you get a wooden tabletop measuring 107 by 56 centimeters. It can handle loads of up to 181 kilograms. In the cart mode, the load capacity is reduced to 136 kilograms, but you get wheels with a diameter of 25 centimeters. The price is $199. If you're standing, it's time to sit down. The price of this scanner is $34,100. The Artec Leo is the world's first wireless 3D scanner equipped with AI algorithms. It can scan areas of up to 160,000 cubic cm at up to 80 frames per second. Moreover, with the help of Artec Studio software, you can combine scans and photos from other cameras to create super realistic 3D models. For just $30, you can buy something more useful, like this Viper vacuum scraper. It connects to a wet-dry vacuum and keeps dust, sawdust, debris, and dirt at bay. In addition, it allows you to scrape off layers of paint, plaster, and other materials with a thickness of up to 6.4 millimeters. The scraper is reinforced with fiberglass. This is the ENAR VIB Bar EBAT, a pendulum-type vibrator for pouring concrete mixes. It's wireless, so there are no wires to get in the way. The tool weighs about 5 kilograms and is less noisy and vibrates less than most competitors. On top of that, a full battery charge will provide about an hour of use. The price of the vibrator, along with a charger and a 4Ah battery, is $896. This octopus-like system is perfect for car enthusiasts. It serves as a holder for microphones and cameras, or as an extra pair of hands when working on a bench or under the hood. The magnetic elements can hold parts, tools, and other items weighing up to a kilogram. The built-in lamp provides up to 8.5 hours of operation on a single charge and increases work efficiency by 37%. The basic set costs $150. Enerpac's new cordless torque wrench delivers up to 8,130 Newton-meters of torque. It has impressive accuracy with an error margin of plus or minus 5% throughout the operating range. Plus, it's battery-powered and portable. The set includes two 5.5Ah batteries. The tool also features an LED display and offers the ability to adjust the torque with the push of a button. All these advantages come at a price. The creators of CoilShot say, "Get the job done in one shot." This system is designed to clean condensers, specifically heat exchange units, not electronic components. It easily connects to a garden hose and uses innovative technology to clean dirt, grime, and grease. Unlike many competitors, you only need 1 or 2 tablets of detergent to do the job. In addition, it comes with a 91 centimeters long nozzle to reach even the most difficult spots. The price is $102. The Threed Simo Multi Pro is a pocket workshop that can replace complex tools like a 3D printer and a soldering station, as well as simple ones like pliers and screwdrivers. The creators made it open source, allowing buyers to unleash their creativity. For example, you can attach a 0.3 mm drill bit or a soldering tip that heats up to 490 degrees in just 20 seconds, for engraving, burning, and cutting. You can work with different materials like wood, plastic, and carbon. The basic Threed Simo Multi Pro set costs only $69. Rigid Flex Shaft K9-12 is the most compact pipe cleaning system in Flex Shaft's lineup. It weighs just 4.5 kilograms and is compatible with any cordless drill that operates at 1,800 to 2,500 RPM. Thanks to a 9 mm long cable with a diameter of 6 mm, the system is able to work in tight spaces and can clean pipes with a diameter of up to 50 mm. The price is $230. A few years ago, firewood prices jumped in many European countries. In Germany, for example, a cubic meter of firewood costs between $108 and $217. Given this situation, the Chaycan wood splitter will definitely be useful to many Europeans. For $74, you can quickly chop both dry and wet wood. Moreover, the movable part of the wood splitter adds weight when needed. Minova Tools devices help you work with EPS. In fact, it's a tungsten carbide rasp. You can use it on its own or connect it to a commercial or household vacuum cleaner with a special adapter that comes in the kit. The ergonomic shape allows for a comfortable two-handed grip. Moreover, it is wireless, so you don't have to worry about the cord getting in the way. Do you need a compact laser ruler that will fit in your pocket and offer accuracy with a margin of plus or minus 1 mm? Then take a look at the Neo Ruler GO. One battery charge will last you up to 10 hours of use. Whether it's straight lines, curves, or angles, just run the ruler along the surface. You can switch between different units of measurement, such as miles and yards. The measurements are easily transferred to the app in different formats, from DXF to TXT. The weight is only 45 g, and the price is $49. Wuta offers a leather cutting machine. This is a professional model with a pressure of up to 1.5 tons, which can cut pieces up to 1.5 centimeters thick. The machine is versatile and suitable for working with rubber, plastic, fabrics, and other materials, greatly expanding the user's options. Moreover, the model is quite compact, with dimensions of 38 by 31 centimeters. The price of the machine is $668. The XSZW4170D may not have the most memorable name, but it's quite powerful. It's designed to handle loads of up to 170 kilograms and can move at a speed of up to 34 steps per minute. Plus, it can climb up to 135 floors on a single charge. The noise level is about 70 dB, which is comparable to a vacuum cleaner, and the wheels are equipped with shock-proof pneumatic tires. Not bad, especially considering the price of about $1,500 with a discount. The IML Resi F will turn your drill into a wood sclerometer. Pretty cool, but the price is not as cool. $3,127. However, thanks to this tool, the buyer will be able to inspect living trees, bridge supports, playground equipment, and other wooden structures. The results are documented on the spot, allowing you to identify problems such as rot. One 5Ah battery charge will give you up to 50 measurements at depths of up to 50 centimeters. Enerpac is taking cordless tools to a new level with its SC series hydraulic pumps. For example, the SC121MB delivers a maximum working pressure of 689 bar, and the motor produces about 1 horsepower, while the weight is about 20 kilograms. Buyers will appreciate the 54V battery and the Enerpac Connect app, which provides documentation, instruction videos, and maintenance reminders. This pump costs $4,700. The Rapid XP30 is useful for working with fasteners. You can use it to process cardboard, textiles, and other soft materials. According to the seller, the tool can be used for lightweight and even semi-professional work, making it a versatile option for both home and commercial use. The price for the Rapid XP30 is $135. So, that was the list of the amazing tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.